Have you ever contemplated the role of sex in your life? Not just its biological purpose or the emotional connection it often fosters, but its raw, fundamental energy? It's an intriguing concept that deserves exploration. Sex, in its most elemental form, is a potent energy. This isn't about the physical act itself, but rather the raw power that drives it. It's a force that, when understood and transformed, can serve as a pathway to personal growth and enlightenment. However, throughout history and across cultures, this raw energy has often been misunderstood and consequently repressed. Religions and societal norms have, in many cases, sought to constrain it, to shroud it in shame or guilt. Yet this approach overlooks the profound potential that lies within this energy. Consider this. When you feel a sexual attraction, ask yourself, is this merely a biological response? Or could it be a manifestation of something deeper, something more profound? Could it be a search for connection, not just with another person, but with your own soul? By looking beyond the physical and delving into the deeper layers of sexual energy, one might come to understand the unconscious search for the soul that lies beneath. This understanding can only be achieved when the ego is dropped, and sex is viewed with respect, not as a base desire, but as a powerful force that can reveal truths about ourselves and our place in the universe. In this context, sexual energy is not something to be wasted or used thoughtlessly. Rather, it's a resource to be harnessed and transformed. It's a force that can lead to higher realizations, insights that might remain obscured if the mind is preoccupied with sex in its most superficial form. The key here is transformation, not repression. Repression merely buries the energy, while transformation allows it to evolve, to become a catalyst for deeper understanding and personal growth. Through transformation, there is transcendence. This is the vision shared by spiritual teachers like Osho, who advocate for a journey from sex to enlightenment. It's a journey that respects the inherent power of sexual energy and seeks to utilize it, not for fleeting physical satisfaction, but for the pursuit of higher truths. In conclusion, understanding and respecting sexual energy is not just about personal growth. It's about enlightenment and liberation from the constraints that society often places on this most basic of human energies. It's about recognizing the potential that lies within and using it to seek out deeper truths, to elevate oneself, and ultimately, to make our world a better place.